Kongo manoero mare Kenya Breweries Limited kata KBL koro chiwo mich mopogore ne joloch abicha mago eko magishikisha form na Senator Ushinde. Micha maromo milion 2 ne margi giwegi ka maromo milion 1 ne ochiwne project noero mar community project kendo kama indi e kaka bende ne giloso e kinde chiwo mich ne joloch makamago eko.
It was identified very early on that a lot of Kenyans were struggling with illicit drinks, were drinking unsafe products, and through that partnership with government we were able to produce a product which we now call Senator that's affordable to many consumers. At 30 shillings a glass, Senator is affordable to a vast majority of Kenyans, and therefore we've avoided the risks that are brought about by illicit beer, illicit products.
Where we have awarded 5 winners grand prizes, and it's really exciting because not only do the winners get 1 million shillings each for what they'd like to do, they actually get 1 million shillings to serve their communities. I'm excited today to have had some of the projects chosen because at Diageo, at EABL, we promote inclusion and diversity. We want to build societies that are inclusive and cater for everybody. And one of the winners has actually chosen in Mombasa, Changamwe, to support a women's group to make sure they can continue with their craft. And this is very exciting. There's another project in Nairobi that's catering to older people, making sure they can eat, they can dress, and they're safe.
The 1 million tumepea the 5 people to make sure that there is 5 million ambayo itazunguka kwa community yetu kusaidia watu wetu kuaffect wale watu wako nazo. So Korogosho, kuna wale nimesikia wameenda Mtito Andei, kuna wale wameenda Embu. Hizo pesa zote ni za kubadilisha watu wetu. Na kama Kenya Breweries tunaambia serikali asante sana kwa kurudisha kufungua bar ili vijana wetu warudi kazi, tuendelee kusherehekea but very responsibly. Na kitu ya mwisho, Senator ni drink ambayo inasaidia watu wengi sana.
Jana no Malolo TV bang tholo machoka duoko